Hello, I'm ETarte, math teacher. This is the third in a series of videos for Mark. I'm helping Mark, a high school math student in the Philippines, helping him to prepare for a math contest later on this month. Mark sent me a series of questions and I'm doing the best I can to answer them. Okay, Mark, you gave me this problem. We have this equation of a circle, x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 14y plus 47 equals 0, and we are to determine the coordinates of the center of the circle and the length of its radius. Well, what I call the standard form of an equation of a circle is this in red, where h, k are the coordinates of the center and r is the radius. We have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. This equation is based on the Pythagorean equation of outright triangles, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Well, this equation that you gave me is not in that form. Our task is to change it to that form, and we do it by the process called completing the square. Here's how it's done. We set up the equation this way: x squared minus 4x blank plus y squared plus 14y blank, and we subtract 47 from both sides, so equals negative 47. We have a blank here also at the end. On the next line, we prepare it. It's going to be in parentheses x blank squared plus in parentheses y blank squared equals. The process of completing the square is to fill in the lower blank first and then the upper blank. With the x's, we divide the coefficient of x, which is negative 4, by 2, which gives us negative 2, that goes in the lower blank, and then we square that. Negative 2 squared is positive 4, so we put a plus 4 in the upper blank. That's with the x's. We do the same thing with the y's. First step is to divide the positive 14 by 2, which is positive 7, that goes in the lower blank. Square that, we get positive 49, that goes in the upper blank. Now we have just added to the left side of this equation 4 and 49. That is, we've added 53 to the left side. So to keep the equation balanced, we must also add 53 to the right side. So combining the constants on the right side gives us 6. So now we have the equation in the form shown in red. X minus 2 squared plus y plus 7 squared equals 6. And so the coordinates of the center are our h and the k. They are the opposites of these numbers because we have x minus h squared and y minus k squared. So the coordinates of the center are positive 2, negative 7, and since this is r squared is 6, so r itself, the radius, is the square root of 6. So that's it for this problem, Mark. This is part 3 in my series to help you. More to come. Thank you for watching.